Okay, so what we need to do is remove, well here, first of all, I'll show you this. So it looks like this is what we're looking at here. This is your seat. I used a silver pan just to show you what we're looking at, but it's the same thing for the black. So it looks like you still have these green clips attached. So we need to remove these. So we're gonna flip the seat over. Now there's two ways to do it. You can either remove the seat on this J channel and flip it over for full access, or I think you can just do this route. We're gonna grab a T20 bit and we're just gonna move the seat over until we access the T20 screw. Remove that. Set it off to the side. Okay, we're just gonna grab a flathead screwdriver, small one. We're gonna insert it in there. Yep, so we're gonna go right into there and we're just gonna pry it open. Should lift right out, just like that. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So just kind of pull the seat back so we can access that T20 right there. Go ahead and remove that. And same process with our screwdriver. And comes right out. All right, so now that we have those pieces removed, we're gonna grab our two glides. Universal can go either way. So we're gonna take them to our chair. Just like that. So again, either way, go on like that, or go on like that. All right, so next we're gonna take our seat with the green clips removed and attach it to the chair. So we're lining the glides up right into here, and we're using our depth bar to push that down to allow the seat to slide on all the way. So here we go, get it lined up. Back here. Good. All right, so now I've got the seat on. I want to put it into the as far back position as it can go. Grabbing the depth bar and pushing back until the chair is all the way back. All right, once we've done that, we're gonna reinstall the green clips. So we're just gonna go ahead and move our pad over, install one. Install the other. All right, we just go ahead and reinstall the screw very gently. Flip it over to the other side and do the same thing. All right, now we'll give the chair a little test. We'll pull the depth bar and it should lock like that. And you're all set.